is Singapore's Kung Fu and Qigong instructor Leroy Kwok speaking to you here in California near Los Angeles. Wow, this is a very beautiful place for the meadows, golden meadows and the grassland and the rolling hills. So pleasant to do Qigong here, man. Yeah, it's like heaven on earth. So today's video will be to introduce you to the fundamentals of Qigong. Yeah, Qigong, it literally means breathing skill. Yet, most people find it to be a little funny that many Qigong tutorials and practices does not talk about breathing. Hey, that makes the breathing part like so mysterious, right? Especially my friends who have done yoga, they find that, hey, even the breathing component, yeah, they didn't talk much about it. So don't worry, I will be here to give you detailed explanations. And if you still have any questions, feel free to give me a direct message or contact me over social media. On YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and Instagram, as well as Facebook, Leroy Kwok. That's right. So you need to know that Qigong is not just for old people. Yeah, it is also good to have young people to start Qigong. You know, say in the early teens. If they can settle down their mind to it, because it will build a very strong foundation if they wish to learn martial arts in the future. More focus and better cardiorespiratory capacity. And it settles down the mind. You know, it takes away all those emotional clutter, and it gives you that focus, which is absolutely important when it comes to developing martial arts skill and kung fu powers. Okay, so the most basic step of Qigong is actually very easy. You can do it while sitting or standing, you know, or even when lying down. You just have to breathe deeply. So how do you breathe deeply? You want to breathe anywhere from 4 seconds to say 20 seconds. Deep breathing, long breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds, and when you feel you're full, breathe out for 4 seconds. This is so that your body can fully absorb and make use of the oxygen in the air. Well, that is in the words of science, but we believe there's energy in Mother Nature, and we are incorporating it into our body to make us more powerful than the average human being that's disconnected from Mother Nature. And you want to notice that one of the key to doing Qigong well is that you need to be natural. Many people, they only know how to, many instructors, they only know how to tell you in abstract terms. You have to be 自然, natural, 放自然. So what is this abstract natural thing they're talking about? Let me tell you. Okay, it means that feel your chest, feel your muscles, feel your body. If it is empty, I feel out of breath. That means you need to breathe. You need to breathe in. Follow your natural urge. It's like when you feel the urge to go to the toilet because you need to piss, or you need to take a dump. It's something like that. Your chest, your lungs have that urge too, and most people do not take care of that urge. That's why they have breathing problems, anxiety, you know, and asthma and like whatnot. So Qigong will be very helpful for those ailments. And yes, you feel the urge to breathe in when you're empty. Then you will your body want to take it in. This is optimum because compared to forcing yourself to breathe. Yeah, this makes the motion unified and integrated with your body. You're giving the body what it wants. Yeah, you are not telling the body to do what you want. Yeah, that's right. You are cooperating with your body. So when you breathe in, and when you are full, you feel the urge to let it all out, right? Yeah, let it out. Yeah, just let it out. When you feel full, let it go out naturally, and you feel fresh, right? When you follow this natural cycle in your body, this urge, it's like intuitive. It's an instinct. It's a subconsciousness. Okay, so repeat this several times. There are ways to do it with more efficiency, which is you feel not just the chest, you also feel your belly, you also feel your sides, and also your back. It can take in large capacity, and as you practice, you will improve and be able to do breathe in for half a minute and breathe out for half a minute, like me. So the next part that I will be talking to you about is the 2-stroke breathing and the 4-stroke breathing. It's like a 2-stroke engine and a 4-stroke engine. How do I describe this? Okay, so you see in the 2-stroke breathing, you feel the need to breathe in. You breathe in. Okay, that's 1 stroke, and when you breathe out, boom. It's like the spark plug combusts the air that you have just breathed in with your own energy reserves, and it becomes your own qi. Boom. And that combustion sends an outward force that will help you deliver your qi to the rest of your body, the warm positive energy to where you direct it. So the 4-stroke breathing is you do a 2-stroke breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Deliver it to the rest of your body, your fingertips, your toes, your whole body, every square foot of it. And when you breathe in again, you feel the urge to yawn, or to some of you it might feel that you need to expel the spent air, the spent qi from your body. This is like a yawn. You breathe in, gathers in your stomach, then your chest again, and you breathe out. So when this happens, it most likely goes out through your mouth. Okay, in the 4-stroke breathing. The 4-stroke breathing is what will heal you after you have long periods of stressful and hectic lifestyle. If you have years of that stressful and hectic lifestyle, you might need a few weeks or a few months of 4-stroke breathing to rejuvenate your body, to get rid of all that stress. It detox your energy system, and after which you will go into 2-stroke breathing, because this 2-stroke breathing, breathe in natural air and breathe out, it will enrich your body with all the qi pumped into your body. It's like pumping, it's like pumping in the gym with qi, the breathing gym, and that will make your body stronger and more healthy than the average human being who does not have Qigong practice. Now I will describe the concept of 3 Dantian. There is the lower Dantian, the middle Dantian, and the upper Dantian. Here. So the concept of Qigong is we need to activate our whole body's energy system and the Dantian, the energy centers, happens to be the core of it. Yeah, the entire thing being the 12 meridians in our body, 365个穴位, 365 pressure points, and 12 meridians. I think that's too much for the beginner to handle, right? And many people stay as beginners, unable to memorize all of these, which I have, and you should, in the future. Yeah. So these 3 energy centers is really the basic. Yeah. It will build a foundation for you to eventually channel the qi through all the meridians and the energy points in your body. Beginning with the lower Dantian, the Qi Hai Xue. The Qi Hai is a pressure point. It is a meridian point. That is like 1.5 inches below the belly button. To some others, it is like an area, and to some others, it's like a point. To some it's higher, to some it's lower. Well, whatever. For me, I use the system where I treat it as an entire area. This entire area like a circle, and it's also slightly inside and slightly on the surface. So both inside and both on the surface. Some people treat it to be right at the core, where the spine is at this level, at the same level as the spine. But the center of your body is like the center of the hot dog. Okay, that's their business. And some people treat it as the surface. For us, we treat it as an area, area below the belly button. That's right, that's the lower Dantian. It is centered around Qi Hai Xue. Okay, so the lower Dantian is the energy center of your legs, your buttocks, and your groin, the sexual organs, reproductive organs, as well as the kidneys and the urinary system. Okay, so next will be the middle Dantian. The middle Dantian is the center of the chest, the upper back. It's basically the upper body muscles. Okay, the upper body joints like shoulders and the arms. The arms all the way to the fingertips. As well as the respiratory system, your lungs, and your diaphragm, and your heart, the cardiorespiratory system. That's right. So most people will have the question in their head. So why do most Qigong classes begin by telling practitioners to focus on abdominal breathing, and they do it for a very long time? They have a great focus on it because naturally people breathe outwards. So that is only using like less than half of your full breath capacity. Okay, the teachers want you to use your entire breathing capacity, which is, it doesn't just go up, it also goes down. Hence the emphasis on the lower Dantian. Actually, they just want you to explore and know that there is a lower Dantian, and you can actually breathe lower and expand downward. Fill in the empty spaces below. That's waiting for you to fill it in. Because if you don't do that, you don't know that it exists, and your Qigong efficiency will be greatly reduced. But that does not mean to just focus on here. That is no good, because if you focus too much, it will induce stagnation, and blockage in the lower body, either the lower body or the lower Dantian area, and it can be pretty nasty. Because the concept is qi is supposed to be mobile. Look at this, like the wind blowing the grass, like ocean currents, like the breeze from the mountain. dantian is just like normal breathing, you know, but you have to take note. It involves the lungs and the diaphragm. You have to feel the lungs and the diaphragm and the rib cage, okay, because the rib cage contains the lungs and the heart. So you feel the front, and you feel the back, and you feel the side, the top and the bottom, all the membrane, and breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, my hand movement is not that important. You can pay no attention to it, because what happens inside is way more important, and that applies to any kind of hand or feet movement you are doing in Qigong. Okay, for the middle dantian, you need to take note that in order for air to go into the lower dantian, it needs to first go into the middle dantian. Actually, in order for air to go into the upper dantian, you also need it to go into the middle dantian first. Yeah, because you are using natural air and turning it into your own energy. So now let me move on to the upper dantian. Yeah, the upper dantian is called the yin hang. It's here between the eyebrow or mei xin. Okay, so you notice that sometimes when people are stressed, they like to frown their brow. You see that crease here, and the more you do it, the more wrinkles you have, the older you look. Yeah, that doesn't mean your Qigong is good because you are old. Okay, so the upper dantian is the energy center of the head. Yeah, and the brain. Some people like to be very brainy. Okay, the temples, the eyes, the nose, basically your senses, your mouth, your face. Yeah, and also it is the center of your consciousness. Yeah, your mind. You know, your consciousness generates the intent that you use for Kung Fu. You need to focus your intent. That's what they mean. And if you want to have sharp intent, you should feel your upper dantian. So how to feel your upper dantian? You do the deep breathing, the 4-stroke breathing, 2-stroke breathing. You will notice a change in the state of energy. It's as though the lower dantian is made up of liquid state, like water, and the lower dantian is made up of liquid state. The middle dantian is made up of gaseous state, like air. It's like an air pump. This is like the hydraulics. And the upper dantian is made up of light and photons, or just light. It travels at light speed. It's very fast. It is like your nervous system. That's all for today's introduction. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you can start practicing from the moment this video ends. And if you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends. You can also practice it with your friends together, and you can send me videos of yourself practicing, and even ask me questions, give me feedback, and I'll be glad to assist you and guide you along. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel again, to like us on Facebook, to stay tuned to the latest news, and follow me on Instagram, and take a look at my website. I see you next time.